Good morning, welcome. It's January 29th. It's a new day, I guess. I'm not gonna be honest. This is gonna be a pretty depressing Frazzlog. Oh, fuck. Just getting a couple more lights on. I figured since I'm back in New York, I would cover my. Leave my coat on. I'd leave my my story of getting back to New York as the Frazzlog topic for today. So, first off, let me I gotta take my socks off. That's one weird thing about working. Certain socks will make your feet like super sweaty, right? And then they become like baby smooth. Like, it's weird. My guess is it burns off all the dead skin and stuff on your feet, but do you know how weird it is to have like completely like smooth feet? It's weird. Like when you go into the bathtub, you gotta be careful because usually you slip. Let's get it out of the way. Yesterday was depressing as fuck. Okay? Okay. Trying to maintain some mental clarity here. Alright, a little more comfy. So I got on the train at about, what time was it? I think probably 8 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so we did that. It was about a 2-hour ride. And then the fuckers, fuck Amtrak. Amtrak, you're stupid. Alright, so Amtrak basically has me wait, I think it was going to be 3 or 4 hours to get onto another train that goes to where I'm going. And then I'm sitting there in the train station after I went to Burger King. I killed 20 minutes basically. I came back. And then I hear the guy on the announcement. He's like, he's saying like, hey, train going to where you're going is getting ready to leave. So I go up to the booth and I'm like, wait a minute, this train's going to where I'm going. Well, then why am I waiting 4 hours? And then he's like, oh, you must have been early. I was early, yeah, but not that early. Like, I would have been there by then anyway, so I don't understand what the hell the whole holdup was. So I lucked out, got into an earlier train, got home. Pretty much, yeah, like the journey started at about 8 o'clock. I got home by like 4 o'clock, something like that. 3 something. Yeah, it would have been like 3 something, but we went to the grocery store and did some stuff. But that was the journey. It was like my first time alone on the train. Second time doing the train. It's very basic. A lot of friendly people out there will help you and everything, so there's that. I never looked at the cover of Rune Factory before. There's a lot of characters on here. Okay, it all makes sense. I don't know what's going on right now. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this. Shit. Okay, I can't. Alright, I gotta end this Frazzlog. Okay.